It's time to tackle your Twitter questions here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange with Jim Cramer. Jim, first up comes from Jose, looking for your opinion on Sears.
Okay, I think Sears has been a short squeeze story for a long time. The comp store numbers are hideous. The revenue declines are hideous, even if you X out the stores they sold. Versus that, they're doing a rights deal that they can participate in themselves. It's owned by just a few hands. And this ball stays in the air, even though it shouldn't.
Well, Lawrence here notes that the airlines are taking a bit of a hit. He asks if Delta can weather the storm.
Not yet. There are still 10 firms that are very bullish about the airlines. I expect a series of short squeezes because they've been down day after day after day. But as long as so many firms are bullish, you can't be bullish because those guys will all want to break ranks and get a little negative.
All right, next up, General Electric. Are its buyback and asset sales too little, too late? Did they ignore shareholders for too long?
You know, I think it's I understand the ennui involving GE. I think it's a safe holding. I am amazed. They've been disposing assets very, very quickly. I think the stock can go to 30, but it just doesn't get there fast enough for people.
Jeff asked for your thoughts on OPKO Health and its recent acquisition of BioReference.
I think that when people are saying, well, why is it down? That scares me because obviously it's down because they're issuing a lot of stock. I have total faith in Phil Frost. I think he's building a soup-to-nuts pharmaceutical company. That said, I understand that because of the arbitrage, the stocks will be under pressure until that deal closes.
Fun one here. Let's talk NBA Finals. One viewer notes it's Nike and LeBron versus Under Armour and Curry. Who's the bigger winner of the sports giants?
If Curry shoots like he did on Sunday night, you're gonna want to be long Nike. Wow, that was horrendous. But if he starts going inside rather than just going for the threes nonstop, then you better get long Under Armour.
All right, and last question today: what stocks do you recommend that would benefit from a strong dollar?
Okay, a strong dollar right now is not really helping a lot of companies, but you would want to own domestic healthcare. Curiously enough, it would be United Health, it would be Anthem, it would be Humana, Cigna, and Aetna, and I think there's going to be consolidation there. So that's a good area to be in.
There you have it. Thank you so much, Jim, and keep the questions coming. Make sure to tweet them using #CramerQ. That's Jim Cramer, and I'm Brittany Humar for The Street.